You're still here. Good. Welcome to the reset. Before you touch a bar of soap, we need to talk about what's already sitting in your hair. The most important question isn't which soap. It's what you've been using for all these years. Conditioner almost always contains silicone, most often dimethicone. It's a synthetic polymer that lays an invisible film around every strand. The film smooths and adds shine, but it's water repellent, and it builds up, layer on layer, wash after wash. Volume shampoo? It contains polymers that coat every strand to simulate thickness. The effect disappears at the next wash, but the residue doesn't. Shampoo with SLS, sodium lauryl sulfate, strips it all away, including the silicone, including the oil your scalp produces to protect itself. That's why the system works. SLS strips, silicone coats, and they sell each other. Soap can't remove silicone, it's too mild. Vinegar can't either. Silicone is a water-repellent plastic film, and it has to come off before you switch. Otherwise, the soap is fighting a wall, and you think the soap is the problem. It isn't. It's the residue from the old system. So we start with step 0, the reset. It takes one thing, a deep cleansing shampoo. Not one you'll use permanently, one you use once. Maybe twice if you've been using silicone products for many years, and then put away. What it needs to contain is a strong surfactant that can break the silicone film, and as little else as possible. No silicone, no oils, no conditioning additives. The point is to remove everything, not to add anything new. In Denmark in 2026, Matas Strieber Deep Cleansing Shampoo from the Danish drugstore chain. 14 ingredients. SLES as the primary surfactant, cocamidopropyl-betaine as the secondary. No silicone, no oils. Plus a chelator that binds the lime minerals from hard water. That's a bonus. No, I'm not getting paid to say that. I'm an independent rebel. So, wash thoroughly. No conditioner afterward. Otherwise, you lay a fresh silicone layer on top of the clean hair. Instead, rinse with diluted apple cider vinegar. 1 part vinegar, 3 to 4 parts water. It closes the cuticle and removes the last lime residue. Let it sit for half a minute, then rinse lightly. Wait 2 to 3 days. Then wash with soap and a vinegar rinse for the first time. That's step 0, the reset, the starting point. If you've made it this far and you're still with me, then the next episode is about what happens in the first 4 weeks and why it feels wrong before it feels right.